Why is Gordon Ramsay an animal bully when instead of eating meat, he can just eat protein-packed veggies? Why does Gordon Ramsay choose to pay for blood and murder when he can just switch over to vegan mayo and a vegan burger? Why does Gordon Ramsay hate animals so much? Why does he slice them with a knife instead of offering a life-saving touch? Why does Gordon Ramsay think that kidnapping for cheese is okay? Because that's what the dairy industry does to baby boy cows every day. Why does Gordon Ramsay make fun of animal defenders? Why does he think it's okay to sentence baby boy chicks to death in giant blenders? That's what they do in the egg industry because people like him seem to think it's somehow funny to promote this torture, this holocaust of the innocent, this never-ending misery. Why does Gordon Ramsay tell his millions of followers it's okay to pay for billions of animals to die when he could just rise up and say, that vegan teacher was right, let's help her to save animals today. Cook only vegan recipes, Gordon Ramsay. Why don't you help us lead the way? Why promote so much suffering to so many youths? Why not be as brave as the others who changed when they learned the truth? Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Ramsay care about the eco-footprint of animal agriculture. Anyone can be vegan regardless of age, race, religion. We can change our culture. And by the way, why is Gordon Ramsay so despicably vegan-phobic when he could so easily turn it around and decisively be a vegan ally, be vegan fantastic? Why does Gordon Ramsay lie to himself and pretend that animals don't feel pain? No, they don't live till old age. Baby pigs are killed for ham and bacon. He is to blame. People try to pretend there's such a thing as humane meat, but that's a lie. No matter how you slice them, you betrayed them. Those pleading eyes never wanted to die. Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Save the animals, save them now. Save every innocent lamb, every chicken, turkey, pig, and cow. End this holocaust, end it now. Leave the fish in the ocean, stop murdering the whales now. Tell Gordon Ramsay to be vegan. Share this song with him right now.